Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a group text on iPhone and name it. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your messages application into your device. And now once you are here guys, select the compose icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now, once you have done that, from here, you will just simply go ahead and provide the contact that you want to add. And once you have selected the first person, add another contact and select the plus icon. And pretty much you should be able to go ahead and select another contact. Now over here, as you can see, you will have a new multi-person message. So just simply go ahead to create this group, select a message down below and provide a message to them and send it. And automatically, you should be able to have the profile at the top. And pretty much you should have an option over here, change name and a photo. So go ahead and select change name and photo, and you should be able to provide a group name over here. And also you could provide a specific profile by your photo or directly from your camera. And you could provide an emoji as well as your profile. And pretty much you should be able to change it over here and pretty much select done on the top right corner. And as you can see, we have now named it into a different one. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.